packing, friends.
So we are packing right now, and here's Crystal in her Patriots jersey, and here's Trang, micromanagement, whatever the fuck she calls it. And this is the room now. It's actually pretty clean, actually. Yeah. The game.
Not the game.
Well, yeah, not the game anymore.
Ooh,
The Avengers!
I'm so excited.
I'm excited too. Can I see the excitement in your face?
Oh my god, no! Thor.
Chris Hemsworth?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
You can.
Today should not be such a bad day. Unless the Patriots lose,
Oh my
right?
gosh.
What?
Her shoes.
Oh.
Guys, Valentine's Day is not that